Welcome back to day 16 of the unboxing. Okay, so we got the next box from Hardwood Bargains. Honestly, not even sure who that is, but I did order a sample, I guess, from them. So let's open this up. How do you open this? This is so much tape. All right, here we go. Hardwood Bargains. Okay, so comes in. Okay. This is a lot to unwrap. I feel like I'm unwrapping a maze. Oh my God, there better be about 100. Look how much paper there is. I better have gotten about 3 cents. This is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see this. This, I could fit. I mean, this is unnecessary, I would say. This is almost ridiculous. This took me 6 days, I think, to get here. I actually remember this because this was $8. This cost me $8 to get here. Let me see the samples. I think they had some sample ordering on the homepage. So these are 2 pretty big samples. That was a ton of paper. No personalization, no pamphlet, no bag. I paid almost as much for the Anderson ones. Okay, so the back of it says the specs, the warranty, the collection. This is the Courtyard collection. This is the Courtyard collection. This is just the collection. Just the collection. Interesting. You know what I notice about these? The edges are like, I can get a splinter. I can get a splinter with these. None of the other ones I get a splinter. They were cut way better than this one. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, I'm not even necessarily sure what my next step here is. They did have a really good follow-up with me. We talked to a rep about the product. I remember that they reached out, but honestly, you can get a splinter touching these. They feel not the best quality. I mean, yeah. Want to see how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.